Hello guys, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to play background sounds on your new MacBook. This feature is great for creating a calming atmosphere or staying focused while you work. So let's begin. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and head over to System Settings. Next, from the menu on the left, click Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, select Audio. Now just turn on background sounds by flipping the toggle. You can turn them off the same way. Right below that, you can pick a sound you like. My personal favorites are dark noise, rain, and fire. Click OK and use the volume slider to set how loud you want the sounds. There's also an option to automatically stop the sounds when your Mac is not in use. Turn it on if you need it. For quick access later, you can add background sounds to the control center. To do that, just go to Control Center, scroll to the Hearing section, and enable it to show up in the menu bar or Control Center. Next time you can turn it on or off easily by clicking the ear icon and adjusting the volume right here. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.